If YouTube is not recommending your videos, it doesn't mean the algorithm hates you. It's usually you're missing out on one thing. Let me show you what made YouTube start recommending one of my videos to over 22,000 people. One of my videos suddenly started getting recommended by YouTube themselves, and this video reached 22,000 views. Most of the views came from something called browse feature. Browse feature simply means YouTube themselves recommending your videos to people on their own page, and this is exactly where videos usually explode. That is where you see video move from 50 views to 1,000 to 5,000 to 10,000, 50,000, and so on and so forth. And that is why it is important as a small YouTuber, anytime you post your content, always go to your YouTube Studio app to check what YouTube is doing about your video. I checked mine and I noticed it is pushed by browse features. Now, why YouTube pushes this video can be triggered by one of these three things. 1, people click that video. 2, they keep watching. 3, they didn't leave quickly. And this sends a signal to YouTube that this is a video to be pushed on people's YouTube homepage. Now, the real problem that YouTubers have is they so much focus on their video content, but they ignore the first 10 seconds of the video. Now, this is exactly how to fix it and how to get your other videos recommended by YouTube themselves. First thing first, for you to fix this, you have to have a very strong hook. This can also be called the first 10 seconds of your video. This is the most powerful part of your video. It tells in brief what your video is all about and spark curiosity in your viewers and keep them to stick to the video and watch it maybe to the end. So for a stronger hook, it can be in form of question, it can be in form of expression, like for example this video, this is why YouTube is not recommending your video, or do you wonder why your YouTube videos are not pushed to your audience? That is a strong hook, and you'll be like, okay, I would love to know why is my video not pushed to the right audience. Then you get to wait for me to express to you why your videos are not being pushed. That is a strong hook. Now, for this video, I said if YouTube is not recommending your video, it doesn't mean the algorithm hates you. It means you're missing one thing. Saying missing one thing is a hook to fix them, because the issue why you clicked on this video is you want to know why your video is not recommended. And now I am telling you, YouTube algorithm doesn't hate you, but you're missing one thing. Then you get to know what is it. What is this one thing I am missing out? Which is what I'm saying right now. Your strong hook is what you're missing out. So right now, each time you want to create a new video, you should work more and focus more on your hook and make it strong enough to keep viewers stuck to the video. And there are other two factors that will push your content so well to the audience, which are your titles and the thumbnail. This is the representation of your video. Anybody that gets to see your title and thumbnail, they get to understand the information of your video, let's say the summary of your video, and once they click on it, they believe this should not be a clickbait, but doing what you exactly said in your topic or thumbnail. Most viewers get attracted by your thumbnail first. This doesn't mean that you have to be a good or great professional graphic designer. Your thumbnail can be very simple, but yet doing the magic. Now, to make this more easier for you, I have already created a full tutorial on this particular topic of how you can get your first 20 seconds of your video, which is your strong hook, and how you can get a good title and good thumbnail with your video, and it's on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and watch the video for more knowledge on this information. Now, to crown all this effort up, this video is watched by 22,000 people, and the highest viewers comes from USA and Nigeria. Having viewers from places like USA, UK, Canada, Australia will make your revenue so powerful. And of course, these three elements I've shared with you is what will actually make people from that part to stop to watch your content, so you can have high revenue. In one of my next video, I'm going to be expressing how much YouTube paid me for this particular video. I believe from now that you have this information, you know how best get the views you expected. Okay, I need you to do one thing for me. After watching the recommended video to the end, make sure you come back to this video and tell me that what you learned there, you practiced, you implemented it, and it worked out for your channel, because it does. And if you're interested in more content like this on how you can grow on YouTube, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Nika Adebayo. I will see you in my next video. Bye.